Hi everyone. Here we will be discussing the module 5 of basic electronics. Myself Deepashri AP. So in this lecture I will be discussing the basic gates, universal gates and the special gates. So basic gates. Usually basic gates are AOI, that is AND or inverter. Comes under this basic gates. That is, first we will discuss what is an inverter. Whatever the input is given, at the output we will get the inverted form. That is the inverter, and here we can see the symbol for the inverter. And if A is the input applied and if output is notated as H here, then output H equal to A complement. Like if A is 0, output, that is A complement, will be 1. If 1 is applied as input, the output will be 0. This is about the inverter. Inverted output will be obtained. Next is AND gate. This is another basic gate. That is, it has two inputs and one output. Two input A and B, and F is the output. So I can notate F equal to A dot B, which this dot represents the AND gate AND symbol. So F equal to A dot B, and if we have two inputs, 2 raised to 2, that is 4 different combinations will be there. That is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 4 1 1 are the 4 combinations. So when both the inputs are 0, A dot B, that is A ANDed with B. It is like multiplication. So 0 0 0 0 1, that is 0. When any one of the input is 0, the output will be 0. Both the inputs are 1, output will be 1. So output F equal to A dot B. That is the AND gate. OR gate. It is a gate in which it has two inputs A and B, and the output is represented as G. G equal to A or B. Here we can see the symbol of the OR as plus. So since it has two inputs, 2 raised to 2, 4 different combinations. So if any one of the input is 1, in this case the output will be 1. Both the inputs are 0, output is 0. That is A ORed with 1, output is 1. 1 ORed with 0, output is 1. 1 OR 1, output is 1 itself. This is about the OR gate. Now coming to the universal gates. Which are the universal gates? That is NAND and NOR gate, we call it as universal gate because we can implement all the other gates by using this NAND as well as NOR gate. So here we will discuss about the NAND gate. Here we have the symbol of the NAND gate. This is the symbol and the two inputs are A and B. The output is represented as O, and output we can say that O equal to A dot B bar. What is this O? A dot B, that is AND. If the AND gate, this symbol without this bubble, the symbol is the same symbol of the AND gate. If we include a bubble in the AND gate, then it becomes NAND, that is, and along with the inverter it becomes NAND. Now the output, we can see the complemented form of the AND. The output will be the complemented form of the AND. In the same way, we have two inputs, so 4 different combinations will be there. So 0 0, in AND it was 0, and here it is the complemented, so it is 1. 0 1, it was 0 in AND, here it is NAND, complemented form it is 1. 1 0, it is 0 for and here it is 1, and 1 1, it was 1 for and in case of NAND it is a complemented, so it is 0. Now and NOT. For example, in this case we have 3 inputs, that is X, Y, Z. and this is the symbol for the 3 input NAND gate. The output will be x dot y dot z whole bar. And the same AND gate can be NAND gate can be represented as bubbled OR gate. See, we can see x, y, z are the 3 inputs. I bubble it here at the input side of the OR gate. So the output will be x bar plus y bar plus z bar, which is equal to x dot y dot z bar. According to De Morgan's theorem, I can write a dot b whole bar equal to a bar plus b bar. By using that theorem, it is same. That is, here we can see that x is the input. This is a normal inverter. X bar will be the output. In the same way, if I provide x bar as the input, we have a bubble here. So x will be the output. That is about the NAND gate. Coming to the NOR gate, I can say it is the complemented form of OR gate, and it has two inputs, output equal to 0, that is 0 equal to a plus b whole bar. And in the same way, in the truth table we have 4 different combination, and output O will be the complement of OR gate truth table. That is 0 0 means in previous case it was 0, here that is in case of OR it was 0, and here in case of NOR it is the complemented form, that is 1. For all the cases, that is 0 1, it was 1 for the OR gate, here it is 0, and 1 0 it was 1 for the OR, and here it is 0, and 1 and 1 it was 1 for OR, and here it is 0. This is the truth table for the NOR gate. Now the same thing, the NOR gate symbol with 3 inputs, that is, so the output will be x plus y plus z whole bar. And the same NOR gate can be expressed with the help of bubbled AND gate. See, here we can see this, we will get the same output, that is x plus y plus z whole bar. So if we bubble at the input side, this will be x bar, y bar and z bar. So x bar dot y bar dot z bar, which is equal to x plus y plus z whole bar. Next, about special gates. So the gates coming under special gates are XOR and XNOR gates. Here we can see the XOR and XNOR gate. This is the symbol for XOR gate. It consists of 2 inputs, X and Y. F is the output, and we can represent as X XOR Y at the output F, for the output F. And the symbol for XOR it is plus circled. And if one of the input is 0, that is if the X input is 0, whatever given in the Y, the same will appear at the output. If the one of the input is 1, that is if X is equal to 1, whatever given in the Y, the complement of Y will be appearing at the output. This is the truth table of XOR gate. Now coming to XNOR, we can see the symbol of the XNOR here, that is XOR output will be bubbled, that is XNOR gate, that is the complement of XOR gate. In simple words we can say, and we can notate it as F equal to X XNOR or XOR bar, or this can also be used as the symbol of XNOR. In this case, if one of the input is 0, whatever is given in the Y, the complement of Y appears at the output, and if one of the input is 1, whatever is given in the Y input, that will appear at the output. That is just opposite to the XOR will be the XNOR gate. So this is way how it works. Please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the updates. Refer my blog Explore Electronics and the path is given. Thank you. Keep watching.